So in this video, what I'm going to do real quick is show you how to add cars to your homepage. This is just a test site, just a sandbox site, kind of where I test plugins, that kind of thing. But you'll see at the bottom, I've got a scrolling carousel of vehicles here, all the way full width, and one here that's just partial width or half width, I guess is the way this is set up. And then over here, I've got a search box, right? It's got your traditional drop downs, all dynamic search. If I go to used, it's going to load, and then you're going to see what used I have in stock, right? So it's all dynamic. It pulls from the actual inventory within the plugin. This would be how you'd add cars to your homepage, either one of these two items. Once it's on here, you can style it however you want. There's some back-end styling to the box, but this one is just like it is. Let me show you how it works. So we'll start with the short code, and I'm going to go back into the widget area here. And from the widget area, we're just going to go into the widget the section that has that particular short code. This is the full width one. So you'll notice I've got inventory slider as my short code, and then I've just filtered to Honda and used. So what's showing on the home page now is just used Hondas. And you can filter that in a lot of different ways. If we go over to our shortcode settings in the CarDealerPress plugin and go to the inventory slider, you'll see you've got all these options to actually filter that one, even as far as how the slide plays, whether it's autoplay, how fast it goes, all that kind of stuff. Then from there, again, you just put it in a text widget and save it, and that's going to show that up on the home page. The next one is going to be the vehicle search box. We'll go ahead and start from back here since we're here. You can see the titles at the top. You can choose what sale class to show, either new or used or both. You can default to one or the other. So if you just have a used car dealership, you would put those both at used, for example. You can show trims if you want, or turn those off. Show text search is just the actual physical text search box, right? So somebody could type in a stock number or blue, for example, and have a text search in inventory. The hide label is these are the actual labels for each of the fields. Then as you go down, you can choose colors. Right? You've got a color picker where you can change the color of the title background. You'll notice, if you remember, it was blue before. I'll make that a red now. Widget background, all the different pieces here. So if we want to change that widget background, give it a gray. And let's go ahead and save that in the save text search. Okay. So you can see a lot of options to play with here. And if I go back onto the home page, though, you'll see it changed a little bit down here. I put a background. And once again, you can CSS this to your heart's content. Just don't do it in the CarDealerPress plugin. Utilize like a Jetpack or scripts and styles or something to that effect that is going to add the external CSS. And that way it doesn't get overwritten when the plugin gets overwritten. So I hope that helps. Enjoy building your site with the CarDealerPress plugin. Let us know if we can help.